Over 60? To regain your strength and build muscle, consume these 3 teas. Have you recently experienced weakness in your legs? As if they just no longer carry you as they once did? Perhaps you've been experiencing increased fatigue or difficulty maintaining your balance. It's not only aging, and you're not alone. According to recent studies, some natural teas can actually help you regain your leg strength, increase blood flow, lower inflammation, and even enhance your energy levels without the need for uncomfortable workouts or medications. The finest part comes next. They are safe, easy to use, and supported by science. For instance, a long-term research conducted in Japan that tracked thousands of senior citizens discovered that those who consistently drank green tea had a far higher chance of retaining their balance and muscle strength as they grew older. Real-life examples of it include the renowned Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who attributes his continued sprinting above the age of 100 to his daily cup of green tea. The top 3 teas for seniors to increase energy and leg strength are shown in this video. Each has been thoroughly selected and verified by a group of health researchers, so you can rely on the facts. If you'll stay with me through to the finish, I'll also tell you about a tea component that may surprise you. It has been proved to improve circulation and combat muscle weariness in older folks. You should not miss it. Let's get started. 1. Tea with ginger and turmeric. For senior citizens who desire stronger legs and a natural energy boost, a warm, comforting cup of ginger-turmeric tea can be a game changer. This tea might easily become one of your favorite daily routines if you've noticed that you feel heavy when you walk or that you're exhausted by the time you reach the top of the stairs. Here's why it's so effective. 2 of nature's most potent anti-symmetry roots are ginger and turmeric. When combined, they actively reduce inflammation, which causes stiffness, aching joints, and muscle fatigue, in addition to adding a soothing flavor to your tea. For many seniors, the soreness and swelling that follows even mild exercise is just as much of a hindrance as weak muscles. The root cause of that issue is directly addressed by ginger-turmeric tea. However, it doesn't end there. Gingerols are natural substances found in ginger that have been shown in experiments to enhance blood circulation. Consider your legs as labor-intensive machines that require a constant flow of blood that is rich in oxygen to remain strong and repair themselves after daily strain. Fatigue or unsteadiness develops when muscles don't receive the nutrients they require when circulation slows down. Regularly consuming ginger tea can subtly increase blood flow, giving your legs a more vibrant feeling and boosting your confidence with every step. Let's now discuss turmeric. Curcumin, found in this golden spice, is well known for its capacity to reduce inflammation, prevent muscles from degrading, and even aid in post-activity recuperation. Curcumin can ease any soreness you may have after a quick stroll or if your knees pop when you stand. Your muscles will be able to sustain you, steady your body, and power every movement once inflammation is minimized. The majority of people are unaware of this. It's not just your legs that benefit from this tea. Additionally, it offers a mild energy boost. It doesn't give you jitters as coffee does. Rather, ginger naturally boosts your metabolism, which makes it easier for your body to convert food into energy that can be used. You may find that you feel more awake and motivated after lunch, maybe even ready for that quick stroll or easy leg stretches you've been meaning to do, which are simple to prepare at home rather than feeling lethargic or requiring a sleep in the afternoon. A teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric if available, a few slices of fresh ginger root, and hot water are all you need. Give it 10 minutes to steep. A dash of black pepper should be added. This improves the way curcumin is absorbed by your body, and if desired, sweeten with a squeeze of lemon or a little honey. That's all. Your legs, energy, and general well-being are supported by the easy therapeutic tea you just produced. While some people experience results within a few days, others may need to wait a few weeks. However, consistency is essential. Drinking 1 cup daily particularly in the morning, can have a significant impact on your energy levels throughout the day and how your legs feel. An example from real life. Ginger and turmeric tea have been used for generations in traditional Indian homes to relieve daily aches and maintain joint flexibility. Turmeric has even been mentioned by contemporary players like NBA player Stephen Curry as a component of their recuperation regimen. Even while you don't have to exercise like a professional athlete, incorporating a cup of this tea into your daily routine can provide your joints and muscles with a comparable level of mild support. Ginger-turmeric tea is therefore one of the simplest and most pleasurable places to start if you're serious about strengthening your legs, easing pain, and naturally increasing your energy levels. 2. Green tea with ginseng. Let's go on to something genuinely rejuvenating now. Green tea with ginseng. This tea might be just what your body has been craving if you've been feeling exhausted recently, as if your legs give out midway through the day, or if you simply lack the motivation to keep going. Your entire system, including your muscles, brain, and yes, those weary legs, is gently awakened by Ginseng-Green Tea. This is what makes it so unique. We are combining two potent herbs. The first is green tea, which is a natural energy enhancer and antioxidant powerhouse. Second, ginseng, a root that has been used for millennia in traditional medicine to support vitality, strengthen muscles, and combat weariness. Why ginseng is so beneficial for your legs. Ginseng is well known for its adaptogenic power, which means it helps your body cope with stress. It may surprise you to learn that aging puts daily strain on joints and muscles. By reducing internal tension, ginseng gives your body resilience so that you don't have to fight your legs every time you move. There's more, though. Ginseng can genuinely increase muscle endurance and performance, according to research. It improves the efficiency of your muscles' usage of oxygen, which results in increased endurance and less fatigue. Imagine being able to run errands, climb stairs, and move around the house without feeling exhausted afterward. Over time, ginseng can make that difference. Green tea's function. You get even more advantages if you combine that with green tea. Catechins, which are antioxidants that combat free radicals in your muscles and joints, are abundant in green tea. Why is that important? Over time, free radicals destroy cells, making your legs appear older than they actually are. Consuming green tea on a regular basis helps your body's natural healing process, which keeps your muscles strong and your joints feeling more capable. Additionally, L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes alertness while calming, giving green tea a gradual, balanced energy boost, unlike coffee, which can cause energy spikes and crashes. You can get a consistent, long-lasting increase in your physical and mental vitality by using ginseng. It's the mental lift that counts. This is something that a lot of people ignore. You naturally want to move more when your mind is clearer and more energized. You use your legs more frequently as a result of that incentive, which progressively restores their strength. To put it another way, ginseng green tea not only energizes your body but also ignites the mentality that keeps you moving. How to prepare it in the house. To prevent scorching, bring a cup of water to a boil and allow it to cool somewhat. Give a green tea bag 2 to 3 minutes to steep. Next, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried ginseng powder, if you have any, or a few thin slices of ginseng root. Give it 5 more minutes to steep. If desired, add a squeeze of lemon or a little honey for flavor. That's it. A tasty, invigorating cup of power that's easy on the legs. For optimal effects, consume it every day. It's a gradual habit that gradually improves your energy, balance, and mobility over time. It's not a quick fix. Evidence from studies and actual life. Regular ginseng use by older persons has been linked to improved lower body strength and decreased fatigue during daily activities, according to research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine. Not only that, but celebrities like the 70-year-old actor Jackie Chan have also highlighted ginseng tea as part of their wellness regimens to stay active for physically demanding roles. Imagine the subtle boost it can provide to your daily walks, stair climbs, or mild workouts if someone in their 70s can maintain that level of movement. Therefore, Ginseng-Green Tea deserves a permanent place in your routine if you're sick of dragging your feet and want to feel more alert, mobile, and in charge of your energy. It's a daily reminder to become a better, healthier version of yourself, not simply a drink. 3. Tea with ashwagandha roots. Let's now discuss a really rare tea that helps restore balance, strength, and calmness to your complete body, not just your legs. Ashwagandha Root Tea is the name of it. You may be in for a delightful surprise if you have never tried it before. We refer to ashwagandha as an adaptogen because it helps your body cope with stress, exhaustion, and aging. For senior citizens, that is crucial. Muscles deteriorate with age due to a variety of factors, including chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and hormonal changes, particularly those involving cortisol and testosterone, which are important for energy and muscle tone. Think about this for a minute. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling grounded and at ease rather than stiff, exhausted, or worried about the day ahead. Your legs truly feel ready to move when you stretch them. You find that your legs no longer seem as heavy after getting to your feet. Many people report experiencing a slight change in their everyday routine after incorporating ashwagandha tea into their routine. The stress hormone cortisol is released by the body when we are under stress, which can be caused by health issues, money problems, or even inadequate sleep. Over time, too much cortisol depletes energy, weakens muscles, and develops belly fat. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha soothes the nervous system and lets your body know that you're safe, that you can unwind, and that you can recover. Your body prioritizes muscle repair and mending over ongoing breakdown just because of that change. That's not all, though. Even in older adults, ashwagandha has been demonstrated in numerous trials to improve muscle strength and endurance. In a clinical study, seniors who took ashwagandha on a daily basis experienced quantifiable gains in stamina, balance, and lower body strength in a matter of weeks. It's not magic. Rather, it's your body receiving the assistance it requires to function at its peak. Support for sleep-related nerves. Additionally, ashwagandha promotes nerve health, which is important for the sensation of your legs when you stand or walk. Weak neuromuscular connections may be a contributing factor if you have ever experienced shakiness, unsteadiness, or a sense that your legs are not entirely under your control. By strengthening those ties, ashwagandha enhances responsiveness and coordination. This tea is especially effective if you have trouble falling asleep. It can help you relax, lessen anxiety at night, and encourage deeper, more peaceful sleep if you drink it in the evening. Since our muscles heal themselves while we sleep, getting more sleep results in better muscular recovery. No matter how well you prepare your food or how healthy your diet is, the body finds it difficult to recover without enough sleep. Ashwagandha root is available as powder, dried chunks, or even tea bags that have been combined. The dried root is the most effective for the purest advantages. Use roughly 1 teaspoon, let it gently simmer in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain it, and then sip it warm. For a sweeter taste, add honey or cinnamon. Warm spices go well with the nutty, slightly earthy flavor of ashwagandha. Others prefer to drink it at night to unwind and encourage muscle healing while they sleep, while others drink it in the morning for calm, steady energy throughout the day. In any case, the key is to be consistent and include it into your daily routine to provide your body consistent support and real-world motivation. Ashwagandha is frequently suggested by holistic health specialists, such as renowned dietitian Dr. Frank Lipman, for elderly patients who are experiencing stress and exhaustion. In order to support balanced energy and better sleep, adaptogens like ashwagandha have gained popularity among well-known wellness advocates over 60, such as actress Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team. Seniors may utilize it for general health, but they also benefit from increased leg strength, better balance, and calm energy that lasts all day. Ashwagandha Root Tea is therefore a great location to start if you're searching for a method to feel more balanced during the day, less anxious in your heart, and more stable on your feet. Restoring physical, mental, and emotional equilibrium is more important than simply building bigger muscles. And the true basis for long-lasting vigor at any age is that balance. These 3 potent natural teas can significantly alter the sensation of your legs and your daily energy levels. Use Ginger-turmeric tea to increase circulation and reduce inflammation. Ginseng-Green Tea to increase endurance and muscle strength. And Ashwagandha Root Tea to promote nighttime recovery, reduce stress, and restore equilibrium. These aren't simply warm, cozy beverages. They're easy everyday tools that will help you feel stronger, walk more steadily, and navigate life with less discomfort and more confidence. Keep in mind that consistency is the key. Over time, little movement, a good outlook, and only 1 cup each day might produce noticeable results. Please share your thoughts in the comments section if this video was helpful to you or if you intend to try any of these teas. If this was helpful to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward, scientifically supported health advice tailored to your needs. You deserve to feel strong once more. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you in the future one.